What's going on, guys? Today we have a S22 Ultra that needs a new back glass. We have a replacement back glass here, and what we're going to do first is we're going to start by heating it up, and then we'll just remove it. All right, so once we have the back warmed up, what I like to use is this magic glass tool. It's you can find them online. I probably won't be able to link it because it's random places that you'll find this, but it's just a thin piece of metal. And the thing about it, I'm only going under the screen the tiniest little bit, so we're about that far under there, and we're just going to roll it around, getting this back glass. Whatever you do, make sure you don't put it in too far because you will mess up some stuff. Once you get it broken free a little bit, I like to come in with this plastic tool, kind of work my way around. Right here, we're gonna have to get it started again. The corners are usually the hardest spot. And if this back glass was good, you can take it off pretty easy. Now that I got it freed, there, it came off in one piece. So once you can confirm that the back glass is off of your panel without, you know, any weird stuff on the edges or chips, because it will crack the new glass, what I like to do is just add a little bit more adhesive to it. I feel like maybe sometimes you can put too much, but in some cases you can't have enough. Okay, so once we have the adhesive down and it's good, I like to run my finger around the new screen to make sure that the adhesive that it came with is on there really well. I did notice on the old screen there was, once you peel this up, the weirdest setups here, there was this little piece that went right here, and we'll just switch it over. There's no microphone or anything in it. I think it's just, you know, some sort of connector to the microphone itself. So let's pop this tape off. We'll take these pieces of tape off, extra tape here. Now, just be aware that this phone is not going to be waterproof. If you need a waterproof phone, what you should probably do is take this phone after it's been repaired and go trade it in and get one that you haven't broken yet. So once that's all set up, ready to go, take our piece, set it right back in there. What I like to do, once I have it, once I have the tape on there, I like to take these little clamps. They're really weak. They're not gonna, you know, damage anything. They're not gonna even hurt you if you put it on your pinky. You know, it's not that strong. I like to take them, put them around, just to make sure that it holds down really good and tight. Get the best seal we can possibly get with it. Do a camera check. All right. Once we have them all down, what we're gonna do is just leave it like this for maybe about 20-30 minutes. So after we have this repaired, what I like to do is leave it here on these clamps for maybe about 25 minutes, and it should be good. It isn't waterproof anymore, so don't stick it in water. It may be waterproof, but I don't want to risk the chance. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And as always, we'll be bringing you more Samsung repairs.